HUABO Technology Company Limited is a professional poultry equipment manufacturer with 33,000 square meters, which is located in Hutao Industrial Park of Chengyang District, Qingdao City, China. It is a company composed of product research and development, engineering design, manufacture, installation, and after-sales service. The main products include broiler automatic feeding system, nipple drinking system, breeder pan feeding system, breeder chain feeding system, silo, ventilation fans, air inlet, cooling pad, light trap, foggy system, environment control system, plastic slat, egg transport box, and so on. HUABO Breeder Pan Feeding System is HUABO's new project. It meets particular requirements of breeder management ideally. Only by restricted feeding of hens can both uniform physical and sexual development of birds during rearing and high long-lasting reproductive capacity during the production period be achieved. It is an ideal choice of poultry management which combines perfectly chain and pan feeding. This system takes the PTY chain with large delivery capacity as feed delivery system. The birds are fed at HUABO Feed Pan, the newly developed pan with 16 grills. HUABO nipples have got 3 patents. In the year of 2001, HUABO undertook the National Sparking Plan project from the National Ministry of Science and Technology. In the year of 2002, HUABO has been awarded as the standard maker of Chinese poultry nipple industry, and the code is NYT649-2002. HUABO has first-class R&D team, first-class process machine, mold workshop, and plastic injection workshop. All R&D, mold processing, plastic injection is done in our company. In this case, we could control the quality by ourselves. HUABO clearly stands as a leader in poultry industry and takes excellent quality as its management concept. And it gets good comments from customers all around the world. First-class service, first-class product, first-class management, first-class project is our long and lasting purpose. HUABO would like to grow with our customers. Welcome to visit HUABO in Qingdao, China.